Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw another cartoon character as a Godzilla Titan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Mr. Beast logo as a Godzilla Titan. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mr. Beast logo Godzilla Titan, we're going to begin with the eye. So we want to start up here, and we just want to make a little line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come back like this, like a check mark. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up to here. Then we're going to make a little line or two down. Right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come back like this for the top of the head. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out to here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down for the nose. Then we're going to go up and back like this. Starting here, we're going to make kind of like a pointed line, and we're going to go up and then curve around for like that cheek. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here, and it's going to come right around like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then we're going to come back. Starting here, we're going to make some pointed lines just to make it look like it's kind of furry down here. And then we're just going to draw some of these pointed lines out and then bring them to here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a couple more pointed lines that come up. Then we're going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down, and we're going to add just a couple little kind of notches in there. So it looks like it's got like some rips in the ear. Make a couple little pointed lines, then bring it up and then down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that comes down for a big fang, and then it's going to come back up. I'm going to draw a couple smaller teeth right here, and then we're going to make another one that comes down and up. Then we're going to add a couple teeth here. Make another big fang with a couple small teeth. And we're going to make some teeth in here and another big one back there. Draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come to here. We'll add a little line that's just going to come down here for the other side of the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw kind of like a pointed line that's going to come up. And then it's going to slowly start to come down here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then we're going to make some more kind of furry pointed lines right there. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And it's going to come to about here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down, and then it's going to come back here for a really big claw. Make another one right here that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. And we're going to put another one here, so it's going to go down and then back. Then we're going to make one small one right here. Next, I'm going to draw this line up, and I'm going to put another claw right here. Next, I'm going to make some pointed lines that just go up like this, and we're going to bring this line up a little bit. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Then right here, we're going to make a little bit of like a pointed line that's going to curve around. Then right here, we'll make a line that comes down. We're going to go up and down for a claw and then bring it back. We're going to go down, we're going to make another claw right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up for that final claw. Make a line that's going to come up and then over for that back leg. And then we're just going to connect this line to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to draw a line down with a claw and then make it come to a point. Make a line that's going to come out here, and then it's going to come back. We're going to make another one with a nice big point that goes down and comes back. And then one more right here, and that's going to curve up. Then starting here, we're going to add just some little curvy, pointy lines. Now over here, I'm going to add a little line that comes down, and then another little line here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and down, bring this back, make another one that goes up and down and then comes back. We're going to draw a little line up here. Now for the tail, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to add a few kind of pointed lines in here. Then we're going to bring it back down and we're going to make it come right down to here. Next, up here, I'm going to add another little line that's going to go up and then come down for that other ear. So this is our basic shape of our Mr. Beast Godzilla Titan. Now what we want to do is we want to come in here and add all the different details in here. So let's start by the eyes. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come over right along the top. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then a couple more right here by the face. Make a couple little lines right around here. And then we're just going to add a few kind of little broken lines over here to show some texture on the face. Now for the claws, I'm just going to add some little curved lines, and then I'll add a second and third one maybe just to add a little bit of detail, make it look like the claws are kind of sitting in there. Make some curved ones right around here. Do the same thing over here. And we'll make some more rounded ones. I'll add a little curved one around here where that little side claw is. A couple little extra lines here. And because I want to make them look a little bit furry, I'm just going to add some extra little lines onto some of these different spots just to make it look a little bit more furry, a little more texture onto it. Do the same thing to the tail. Now, right along here, I'm going to give him some spikes. So I'm going to start kind of right up here, and I'm just going to add some kind of zigzag shaped spikes coming up here, kind of to symbolize a little bit of that lightning bolt. So we're just going to add some of these right across the back here, just to give it a little more detail. I might put one right up here too. I'm going to add these lines up here a little bit. Now, one of the things I want to add on here are the kind of like stripes and different things. So we want to kind of add like a nice stripe right around here so we can incorporate that lightning bolt. So I'm just going to add a little bit of kind of like a striped, kind of wavy, pointed line right around the whole eye here. And then I'm going to kind of add these extra stripes coming all the way down here. So when I add these, I'm going to make them almost a little zigzag-ish on each side to kind of represent that lightning bolt shape. So we're just going to kind of bring these down, but I don't want them to be like a perfect lightning bolt, so I'm going to add some different little shapes onto them, make them be a little bit more jagged. I want to add these right along the legs too, so we're just going to add these kind of all around. We'll make some come down here too. And we're just going to add some of these right along this part of the leg as well. Put a few on this side. And then we can even add some of these lines going down the tail too. And then I'm going to add just a few coming right down the face as well. And then we want to add some of these kind of long whiskers on here. I'm going to add some coming right down the neck too. And then I'm also going to go and just kind of add a pointed kind of zigzag line coming down here to show like a little bit different color on the stomach. Then I'm going to add just a couple of quick little broken lines onto some of these claws here for some detail. And maybe a little line right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Mr. Beast logo as a Godzilla Titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.